Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss two important types of loan, business and consumer loan. If you are new to the world of loans, this video is for you. This lesson will give you insights on the basic concepts of loans, especially business loan and consumer loan. So at the end of this video, you should be able to define loan, illustrate business and consumer loan, and distinguish business loan from consumer loan. Before we proceed to the details of business and consumer loan, let's first take a step back and understand the basic concepts of loan. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng loan? Sabi rito, loan is borrowing money to meet financial needs. So familiar naman po tayo sa ibig sabihin ng loan. It's how we can get financial help when we need it. Maaring para sa pagpapatayo ng bahay, pagpapaaral, o kahit pagpapalawak ng negosyo. But loans are not just about borrowing money from a bank, because loans also cover many other things we use in our daily lives like credit card, purchasing a car, appliances, or any assets, and then paying it in an installment basis. So ito po sila ay matatawag pa ring loan. And when we apply for a loan, there are few terms that we need to understand. These terms help explain the conditions of the loan and how the borrowing process works. So, isa-isahin po natin. So, unahin natin yung first term na related sa loan. We have collateral. Kapag sinabi po natin collateral, it refers to the assets used to secure the loan. It may be a real estate or other investment. So kapag sinabi po natin collateral, ito po yung mga ari-arian o bagay na iniaalok ng nangungutang bilang seguridad sa isang loan o pautang. So kung sakaling hindi na mabayaran ang utang, maaaring kunin ng nagpapahiram, halimbawa bangko o kaya ay other lending institution, maaari niyang kunin yung collateral bilang kabayaran. So sa ganung paraan po ay nababawasan yung risk para sa mga nagpapahiram at nagkakaroon din sila ng garantiya na meron silang mababawi kung sakaling hindi na makakapagbayad yung umutang. At halimbawa po ng collateral ay real estate like bahay, lupa, sasakyan, or other investment. Next term po, we have guarantor. So if we say guarantor, it is a person who agrees to take responsibility for the loan if the borrower is unable to pay. So essentially, they act as a backup for the lender. So if the borrower defaults on the loan, then the guarantor is legally obligated to repay it. A guarantor is generally not needed if there is a collateral. Kapag meron ng collateral, hindi naman na kailangan ng guarantor. But there are cases na kailangan ang collateral at the same time guarantor. Especially if the loan amount is large or kapag yung borrower's credit worthiness is in question. But in general, if you have sufficient collateral naman, guarantor is not needed. Next, we have term of a loan. So it is the time to pay the entire loan. It could be a few months or several years depending on the type of loan and how much you borrow. So kapag mas mataas ang term ng loan, syempre mas mababa ang iyong buwan ng bayad. Pero kung i-compute mo po yung interest ay syempre mas malaki. So the longer the term, the higher the interest. The shorter the term, the lower the interest. Ganun po. Now that we have a basic understanding of what loans are, let's move on and take a closer look at two key types of loan, business and consumer loan. So unahin po natin si business loan. So kapag sinabing business loan, it is borrowing money specifically for a business purpose. Typically, it is used to start a business or to fund its operation. For example, if you want to open a coffee shop but you don't have enough capital to buy all the equipment you need, you could apply for a business loan to cover your financial needs. On the other hand, kapag sinabi po natin consumer loan, it is borrowing money for personal or family purposes like buying a car, home improvements, or even paying for education. So, consumer loan is more on personal or family purposes. Narito pa po yung ibang comparison ng business loan and consumer loan. In terms of collateral, both loans require collateral. So, business loan requires collateral, consumer loan also requires collateral. In terms of guarantor naman po, business loan require a guarantor. But in consumer loan, it does not usually require a guarantor. Sa term of loan, shorter term po ang business loan. Ang consumer loan naman po ay longer term. At in terms of interest rate, mas mataas po ang interest ng business loan kesa po sa consumer loan. Okay, now I will give sample problems that allow you to determine whether each scenario represents a business loan or a consumer loan. So, unahin po natin yung number 1. Maria owns a small bakery and wants to expand by purchasing new baking equipment and renting a larger space. She goes to the bank to apply for a loan to cover these expenses. What type of loan po kaya yan? Is that business loan or consumer loan? Okay, so yan po ay business loan since gagamitin po niya yung pera para sa kanyang business. Okay, how about number 2? Jake wants to renovate his house. So, he decides to take out a loan to cover the renovation costs. He plans to repay the loan over the next 5 years. So, what type of loan po kaya yan? Is that business or consumer loan? Okay, so if your answer is consumer loan, you are right. So, this is a consumer loan because Jake is using the funds for a personal purpose, which is renovating his house. So, the loan is intended to improve his living space rather than generate business income or support a business activity. Okay, number 3, last na po ito. Lisa works as a freelance graphic designer. She decides to get a loan to purchase a high-end computer and other tools that will help her improve her productivity and serve her clients better. So, what type of loan po kaya yan? Business or consumer loan? So, if your answer is business loan, tama po kayo. So, this would be a business loan because Lisa is using the funds to purchase equipment that will help her with her freelance graphic design business. So, the loan supports her professional work and is intended to improve her productivity and ability to serve her clients. Kaya, ito po ay business loan. That ends our tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand the key differences of business and consumer loan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.